Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how to enable autocorrect on Gmail on your PC with the new update. Follow along as we guide you through the simple steps to turn on this helpful feature. First, open gmail.com in your web browser. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon in the top bar and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. Next, click on See All Settings to access the full settings menu for your Gmail account. From there, navigate to the General section and locate the Autocorrect option. Click on the Autocorrect toggle switch to turn it on. This will enable autocorrect for your Gmail account, helping you catch any spelling or grammar mistakes as you compose emails. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click on the Save Changes button to apply your new autocorrect settings. Confirm the step when prompted and you're all set. Autocorrect is now enabled on your Gmail account, making it easier for you to write error-free emails. That's it. With just a few simple clicks, you can now enjoy the benefits of autocorrect in Gmail on your PC. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.